the Balto family and I'm doing a Pet 101 training. Ayan, kung hindi pa po kayo kadikita ng the Balto family, ayan, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Po, ang gagawin ko ay ang mag-train po sa dog namin. I'm just gonna show you guys how to train a dog. Kasi ako po talaga ang nag-train sa kanila of what they do in the house. Mga tricks lang po. Very simple trick. Like sit down, lay down, shake hand, crawl. Pero ang tinuturuan ko lang po yung husky ko because my other dog is already 12 years old. So medyo hindi na po niya kaya ang mga tricks na yon. So he can do my old dog can do a shake hand, sit down, and lay down and listen. Yun po ang pinaka one rule po, they have to listen. Kasi pag hindi po sila nakinig, then you know, this is like kids po. Para din po silang mga bata. Kung hindi po sila nakinig, then mapapalo po sila. No, I'm just kidding. It's part of training po talaga. So, it's like they're also your kids. Alright, kaya before I start, I have to make sure that I have plenty of treats. So, kailangan may mga treats po tayo. Kasi kung wala po, paano hindi sila susunod, diba? So, we need to give them reward. Yun. Okay? And make sure na bibigay mo yun if they do the right thing. Alright? So, the first thing is the command of sitting down proper. Alright? This is Balto. This is my 3 years old Siberian husky. Hindi nga. Pasensya na kayo sa damit ko. Ay, hindi. Get up. Get up. See? You're already getting up. Oh, thank you. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. So, get down. Down. Get down. Alright, I don't know if you can see it good, so bababa ko. So, come here, Balto. Come here. Sit down. Sit. So, what he's doing right now is laying down. Come here. Yeah, we're gonna do it again. Get in here. Sit down. Sit. So this is the proper way of showing. You can say shake hand, or high five. Alright, good boy. Alright? And you can say lay down, stay. Simple as word as that, stay. So make sure you focus in their eyes when you look at them. And titingnan nyo sa mata. They can listen to you and what you're saying. So, para alam nila na may sinasabi ka na dapat nakikinig sila. Just like him, he's also laying down the other dog. So, Balto is only 3, he's gonna be 4 on December. 4 years old. So, alright, good boy. No? So this is the second. Showing them that they cannot eat whatever they want in your hands. So make sure you say no. No. That's like a word for me that they will have to listen. No. That means you're not gonna eat it. It's no. You know, wait till mommy said yes. See how he's listening? Because that's how it works. So he knows. He has to look at your eyes and it's like, I'm gonna wait, mommy. So that's how you know that your dog is listening to you when they look at you in your eyes. Good boy, mama. Alright, the next one is, I'm just gonna give food for Wee Wee because Wee Wee is an old dog. So what I do is I just give him the treats. Actually, he can do shake hands, he can do lay down and listen. So see how Balto is waiting for his next. All right, Balto, we're gonna do a. What's the next trick is standing up. I hope you can stand up still. All right. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. Turn around. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. No, I said turn around. Turn around. Stand up and turn around. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Come on. Come on. You need to turn around. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Good boy. And you guys have to make sure that he's following the tricks. Okay? So one is the crawling. Get in there, Balto. Get in there. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Lay down. And we're gonna do the crawling. Okay? Crawling. Crawl. Crawl. We're gonna do the crawling tricks. Crawling naman po tayo. Crawling. Alright? Crawling tricks. Turn around. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. And we're gonna crawl. We're gonna crawl. So that's how he crawls. So he has his own way of crawling. Right, the other way. Come on. Crawl. Crawl. So that's how he crawls. Yeah, he crawls. Ganun siya gumapang. So he has his own way of crawling. So the next one is listening. Okay, I'm gonna put the food under in the floor. Lalagay ko po yung food sa floor. And we'll see if they're gonna listen. Okay, come here. Alright, sit down. Wiwi, get in here. Wiwi. I'm gonna put the other dog. Okay, sit down. Alright, you're gonna say no to both of them. No. So before you put the food in the floor, you make sure you have the command already. No. No. Can I put the food here? No. No. That's a no. 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 Look at mommy. No. Alright. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. See, that's how you train your dogs. Make sure you give them a pat. You know, they like that. You give them a pat. There you go. They love being when you give them love. Again, of our 101 pet training. Ayan, maraming salamat. Kung kayo po ay nasayahan sa aking video, ayan, bigyan niyo po ako ng thumbs up. And also, like, share, and subscribe po sa aking bahay, The Boating Family. Thank you po. And walking, okay? Walking. Walking like an Egyptian. Okay? Papalakad ko po yung aking Siberian Husky. Ayan, take 2 tayo kasi tumawa ako. Ayan. Ang next po natin na trick is walking like an Egyptian ng aking Siberian Husky, si Balto. Ayan. Balto, I want you to walk with me like an Egyptian. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung kaya yung gawin. Diba? Come on. Balto. Oh, he's running away. Come on. Come on. Come on, Balto. Are you tired? Come on. Up. Up. I think he's tired. Come on. Up. Walk. Walk. Ayan, kaya mo yan. Go. Up. Up. Walk. Ah! May dayan. May dayan. May dayan. Walk. Dali. Walk na. Walang dayan dito. Ano ka ba? Walk. Ayan. Mataba na si Balto. Palagi ka, Balto. May dayaan yung walking niya. May dayaan ka. Naku, ayaw na niya. Lumayas.